This is a 4-position load brake switch, and this we used instead of a transformer wall. And this is the operating mechanism, and this is the controller. And now we start assemble this motor load brake switch. First, we install the load brake switch on the transformer. This is transformer wall, and we install this load brake switch to the transformer, and screw this nut tight. And then after the load brake switch installed, and we connected this mechanism to the load brake switch, we need to check this hole and connect it to the load brake switch tube in right direction. So then we can install this. Okay, and we use nut screw here, 4 nuts screw. Okay. And now after the motorized mechanism installed, we connected the mechanism to the controller. There's a cable already connected to the mechanism. We connected to the controller. Check these 3 positions. You need to put in the right position so that you can connect it to the controller. Okay, this is finished. And there's a cable from the controller. We connected to the power. Okay, maybe 220 according to client's require. So this is finished all connecting to the controller. And if we have a remote function, you need to connect to a remote switch here. Right here, this wire, this hole is a connection to the remote function. Okay, this hole is for a remote function. You can connect it, the wire yourself, or request our manufacturer to do it. Now all connector finished. Okay, now we connected it to the power. So here now we can see the controller now indicate first position to transform the power on, and we turn this to close. This switch to close, and this is power. We start. When we want to turn the load brake switch to open, and this is clockwise, and we turn this switch to clockwise and push this clockwise button. So when it goes to the right position, the LBS will go to open position. And if we want to go back, it's anti-clockwise. Okay, we turn this switch to reverse and push this button reverse.